Good morning from Hyderabad. So we are heading for a long ride after a long time actually. It's been almost 6 months. So we are heading for a new destination which I have never been to. It is in Karnataka, but a new road, a new places I will be visiting. This is a long ride but not much long. The round trip is around 1500 to 1600 kilometers. That's it. Actual plan was to head to Orissa, but this time in the month of October, which is the first week of October, so we have a red alert in Orissa, so we cancelled that plan. It was one of the best plans I have ever made, but can't do much. That's why we thought let's shift the direction, complete opposite direction. Yeah, it is gonna be a fun ride, at least a very exciting ride for me after a long time. So the fuel range is hardly 36, which is very low. Heading to a fuel stop near my office where I get XP95, XP99 and XP100. All three we get there. So I am thinking to put combination of XP100 and XP91. They don't have XP99 and XP100 in stock. Wow. I think so many people are using XP100. Full tank.
और डाला
बस कर दो बस 27 liters. And I think by the time we'll be reaching the today's destination, tank will be completely empty.
After a long time, literally after Ladakh.
లేదు after Bangalore.
You went Bangalore. I didn't went Bangalore.
I went to Mumbai, Pune and Bangalore. After that, after Bangalore, I think 6 months.
Two things. One is Cardo Connect and one is GoPro Mode.
Then we have to stop.
ఉండాలి
ఏది
అసలు బండి నడిపిస్తే ఇట్లా నడిపియాలి
అబ్బా thought of stopping after Karnool, but I was thirsty, so stopped here itself. At Food Pyramid, which is the regular adda. Hello Kado. The temperature right now is 27 degrees, but it feels as if it's almost 40. Right after Karnool only diversion. Right. Then from there again it's straight. Today all of a sudden it's full clear. Can see clouds here and there, but the sun is so bright. Chikmagalur is another 9 hours as per Google, which is 550 kilometers. But have to reach there by before 6. Yeah, before 6 we have to reach Chikmagalur.
Thanks.
PUC got expired in May. Now I am doing it. I forgot to renew it. This is what happens when you don't take out your bike regularly. So it's time to slide left. Bangalore is straight. Now we have to take right divert onto state highway, which is Kurnool Ballari highway. It will be 2 lane now. I think Ballari వరకే. బళ్ళారి తర్వాత పెద్ద రోడ్ వస్తుంది. తెలుసు రైట్ రైట్. నేను లాంగ్ తీసుకుంటున్నా, ట్రాఫిక్ ఉందిగా.
A few moments later.
Since last 30 kilometers it's like this, and the mileage has dropped from 20 to 19.2, and Kranti's range is just 50 kilometers. Ballari is exactly 50 kilometers. I don't know if there are petrol pumps in between or not. Kranti, you are there? Crocodile festival. You will have crocodile festival now. Crocodile festival means not actual crocodile, okay? There is some saying in Telugu. Mundundi musala pandaga. Mundundira musala pandaga. So that translation direct to English is you have crocodile festival in front. 49 exactly. Bellary kuda 49. This is the first time I am visiting Ballari. It's a big town. So Ballari is famous for steel mining. A lot of mining happens here. I think we don't have any outer road, just to bypass. It is taking through the town. Back to 4 lane. It's a new highway. Bike allowed kada mala. 5 hours. Yes, 5 hours lo easily reach avtam. Already for me Chikmagaluru is showing estimated arrival time 5:40. No one. Literally empty highway. It's 6 lane, not even 4 lane. 100 kilometers on this highway we came already. In just 40, in just I think in 1 hour. In 1 hour 100 plus kilometers. Wow, super bike untana. One of the emptiest highways I have ever seen, and that too a tarmac. Just look at it. how far I can see the highway. Almost 2 kilometers easily. And not much traffic. It's a 6-lane highway. Oh my god. Feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy because it's like this since last 100 kilometers. After 150 kilometers of that big massive highway, now we are on the state highway. Even this road is ultra smooth, but it goes through twist roads, farms, greenery, and now in some time we'll be seeing Western Ghats. So that is where Chikkamagaluru starts. ఆపేస్తున్నాయి అవి కానీ దగ్గర ఉన్నట్టు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి అవి. ఓ ఫుల్ హెవీ రైన్స్. ట్యాంక్ బ్యాగ్కి రెయిన్ కవర్ వేసేసాయి. 80 kilometers away and it already started raining. We were well prepared. Here we go, final 10 kilometers to Chikkamagaluru, and we see a bit of elevation for the road, and it's like next level. So this is the route to our resort. If it rains, this stretch will become luckily we don't have slush as of now, but in these 2 days if it rains, then we have slush all around. The resort is in the forest, so completely inside. Welcome to Tiger Woods. Bad? Exact. This is one of the best, I think. Waterfall I have been to. Very good.
Don't show. Wait.